Okay, how's it you guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove your side mirror indicators off your Mercedes Benz C300 W204. Alright you guys, so this is the side mirror indicator that I'm going to show you guys how to remove. This one right here. So let's get right to it. Alright you guys, so the first thing you want to do is tilt this mirror down and pull back. So there's going to be 3 bolts that you need to remove. This one right here, here, and here. So you're going to need a T10 bit to remove it. Alright you guys, so there's going to be 3 clips that you need to push down. This one right here, here, and here. So you're going to need a flathead to push it down. Alright you guys, so there's going to be 3 silver tabs that you need to pry. This one right here, here, and one along the side right here. So pry it forward and lift up. Alright you guys, so the next thing you want to do is to remove the harness right here. So all you gotta do is just pull the tabs to the side. So there's going to be 2 bolts you need to remove. This one right here and this one right here. So you're going to need a T8 bit to remove it. Alright you guys, so there's going to be 3 tabs that you need to pry. This one right here, 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 and here. Alright you guys, so that's how you remove your side mirror indicators. Hope this video helps. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.